Hey, here's another video. This video is to help explain some of the work from the other day. It's the perimeter questions for sectors, quadrants, and quadrants, semicircles, and sectors. Yeah. So one of the ones, see to find the perimeter for this one. Now remember, when you talk about perimeter, you have to find the length all the way around. So it's this length here, plus the 3 centimeters here, plus 3 centimeters here. So you got to calculate all those together. So first of all, you have to remember that circumference equals 2 pi r. So that right here is going to give you that length right there. But that's going to be all the way around, so a full circle. This part, the red part, is only a quarter. So circumference is going to equal 2 pi r times a quarter. So that will give you that length right here that we're actually wanting, right there. The next thing we're going to want to do is we need to then add the length right here, and then add the length of the other side. So you need to make sure you get all the sides. So circumference equals 2 pi r times a quarter plus 6. Make sure to do that last. You're going to do all that first on step 1, and then you're going to add 6 at the end. So now I grab my calculator. 2 times pi times the radius, r is 3 centimeters, times a quarter, so 1 divided by 4, equals, I got 4.71 centimeters plus 6 centimeters equals 10.71 centimeters, and that is the length all the way around our shape. So that's my first example. Next, sample. So for H, I know I'm doing all the ones that weren't for your practice, but I figure they are good examples. It looks something like this. So that's 7 centimeters. Okay, beautiful. So again, there's two things we're going to have to find here for our circumference. Number one, I would find that which is half of the circumference, and then we're going to add the other portion. So because it's half, circumference equals, this time we've got the diameter, so this is right here, the diameter the whole way across. So the formula for diameter is it's just circumference equals pi, sorry, just going to draw a D, and then we need to get half of that because we're only finding half of the diameter, and then we add the remaining 7 centimeters. We need to add this remaining distance on. So plus 7 centimeters. Okay. So pi times 7 times a half plus 7. Don't forget to do the adding afterwards for Bedmas. So that's pi times 7, delete, divided by 2. And that got me 10.9957 plus 7 equals 17 and we'll round. Ooh, this rounding is going to be equal, interesting. So 17.99557. So then I'll round that to one decimal place, which will get me to 18.0 centimeters. Last example. This time we'll do a sector. This one, my angle's probably way off. On the label, I believe this was J. J said it was 95 degrees right there. Sorry if it's not perfectly 95 degrees. And they gave us an imperial measurement of 11 inches. Okay. So number one, you can think of a circle as having 360 degrees. If we give you a full circle, that's 360 degrees. That sector is only a portion of it. It's 95 parts of 360 degrees. So we will use this, that is 95 parts of a full 360 degree circle, and we'll use that in our formula. So now circumference equals, we've got radius, so we'll use 2 pi r times 95 parts of 360 total. So, and then we need to also add in this side and this side of our sector. So that's plus 11 because there's these two sides of 11. So I'm just going to simplify my work a little bit. So 2 pi r times 95 over 360 plus 22, and don't forget BEDMAS, we'll do that at the end. I'll get out my calculator, and 2 times pi times radius of 11 times 95 divided by 360 gets me 18.24 inches plus 22 inches gets me to 40.24 inches. And there is the perimeter or the circumference of our sector. All right, I hope that helps out. Take care. Bye.